Welcome to Some Guy's Garage. Quick 2-minute tool review on the Knipex 8101 250 pipe and connector pliers. So these are a longer style plier as compared to the Cobras. Same sort of mechanism, but as you can see, the jaws are larger and rounder for gripping pipe. Let's get these things open, have a closer look. So you can see the locking mechanism, 25 positions there. You get to a fairly large pipe and down to something fairly small. They say up to 3 5/32 of an inch, 80 millimeters. Here you can see the range, 1 inch to 3 5 3/4, 25 to 80 millimeters with 25 locking positions. So used for a different size pipe. Here we have a small chunk of pipe. We'll figure out where that actually needs to get adjusted to here. Open those up a little bit, probably somewhere around there, but gets a nice firm grip on that sort of pipe. And you can use that probably more for gas fittings and things like that, but this is what I got in the garage today. So here I've got that little chunk of pipe in the vise, just holding the other end. And just to go to show here, they do not grip like the Cobras do, where you can only apply pressure on one handle. So if I do that with the Cobras here, you get a grip on the thing, and if you push with just one hand here, you can see the Cobras stay gripped. These ones in particular do not, but they don't have quite the serrations on the jaw. The serrations do come all the way down into the jaws, unlike the Cobras, which only cover the first part. So that is a little different. Gripping maybe a softer pipe, that might work a little bit better here. But you do have to squeeze to get these to grip. And like I showed, the Cobras, you can just get them to lock in and they'll self-tighten themselves. Anyway, just a quick look at the 10-inch pipe and connector pliers from Knipex. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider it. And as always, thanks for watching.